Everybody has been talking about ChatGPT, and that's because only now people have come to realize the power of AI and what it can actually do. What this AI is going to be able to do for us in our day-to-day lives is going to be very exciting, but also kind of scary in a certain way. And if people don't start taking advantage of AI right now, a lot of people will lose their jobs and will get left behind. And that's why in this video, I'm going to be showing you 12 online business ideas that you can start using OpenAI even as a beginner. I want to show you how you can take advantage of this opportunity that you're having right now. What a lot of people don't know is the best part about ChatGPT and OpenAI in general is their revolutionary Open API. If you're not familiar with what an Open API is, API basically means application programming service. And basically, in simple terms, what it does is it enables developers to seamlessly integrate and utilize ChatGPT in other softwares. This will allow you to integrate ChatGPT or any other OpenAI software into basically any type of project that you want to create for absolutely free. And as you can imagine, this will unlock endless possibilities. For example, as of right now, ChatGPT is limited to only information from 2021, and people are already taking advantage of its free API and are building Chrome extensions that you can use to connect ChatGPT to the internet so it can have relevant results to 2022, 2023, and beyond. So now that these extensions exist, I can just connect ChatGPT to the internet and I can basically ask it anything that I want from 2022, 2023, and beyond, right? So what are the 5 biggest events that happened in 2022? I can just ask ChatGPT and it will give me an answer. It will search Google for the answer and it will bring back to me everything written down, laid out, and organized. And another extension that already exists out there and that I'm already using, and a lot of people that I know are also using this extension, is an extension called Merlin. And what this extension does, it helps you respond to things online. So basically I could just highlight this text here, which is a comment in one of my YouTube videos, and then I could hit Command M and then I would summon Merlin, and then I just ask write a reply. And then Merlin would write a reply for this YouTube comment for me, and then I could just basically copy it here, and then I could come here and reply to this person. So these are just 2 examples of how people are already using OpenAI's API to create new and innovative businesses. Another example of an app that you've probably heard of that is charging people for photos, which uses the Stable Diffusion AI Open API, is an app called Lensa that you've probably heard before that makes those animated photos of people. All they did is they took the API and they built it in and made it convenient for people and easy for them to get the photos. You can easily get those photos for free if you go to Stable Diffusion and input the prompts yourself. But since they made it convenient, easy, and people could do it from their phones, they could easily charge $10 from each person that did it. And that is exactly where the opportunity lies for you. That's why in this video, I'm going to give you 12 real-life use cases that no one is talking about and that has not been done yet, and that you can use to create a business around and make money. These businesses are completely online and software based, so it's as close to passive income as you can get. Even if you don't know how to code and you don't have the experience to start these businesses, I'm going to give you a step-by-step that ChatGPT itself created for me that you can use just by using ChatGPT directly for free and as a beginner. Business number 1, YouTube management and SEO. The first thing that ChatGPT can do as a YouTube manager is to come up with video ideas, viral video ideas even. So I just asked ChatGPT right now to give me 10 video ideas on how to become more proactive, and it's coming up with 10 video ideas right now. And now that it gave me the 10 ideas, I can just ask ChatGPT to make those 10 ideas into viral persuasive headlines, which is going to be the video titles. Just click enter, and now it's going to come up with 10 video titles that I can use to put on a YouTube video and be able to use it on my YouTube channel if I wanted to. And as you can see, transform your life, the step-by-step guide to becoming more proactive, unlock your full potential, top tips for making a to-do list that works, efficiency hack, how breaking down a task can boost your productivity. I'm not going to read all 10 because if I do, we're going to stay here all day, but you can just pause the video and read the headlines if you wanted to. Another way that ChatGPT can help you with YouTube management is by doing SEO for your video titles and also for your video descriptions, tags, hashtags, all those things. ChatGPT can also write the scripts for your videos up to, if I'm not mistaken, about 3,000 words, which is about a 15 to 20 minute video. ChatGPT can also do the research for your YouTube videos, and now that it's connected to the internet, you can also do extensive research with up-to-date information. So one example of that would be, tell me all the things that the hacker group Anonymous has done, right? Just hit enter, and it's going to tell me every single thing that the hacker group Anonymous has done so far to this day. So right now, as you can see right before your eyes, ChatGPT is writing, the hacker group Anonymous is a loosely organized international group of hackers, blah, blah, blah. 1. Operation Payback, launched in 2010. In 2011, attack on the website. 2012, they did that. On 2011, they did this. On 2015, they did this. And 2016, 2020, and so on, right? There are so many other ways that I can do this. For example, make it shorter and put it in a way that I can present it to someone using persuasive words. Hit enter. And there we go. ChatGPT is recreating the text, telling me in a way that I can present it to other people, that I can easily take, write a blog, easily take, send an email, easily take, make a video about it with persuasive words that would get people paying attention. And it also made it shorter. Now, before we go to number 2, if you like to make money online, go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now, because that's all I do here on this channel. I post free videos just like this one every single week with different methods that you can take and use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed, you're going to miss the future videos, and that is going to be a shame because it's completely free and you can always change your mind. While you're down there, go ahead and sign up to the subscriber fund, which I give away $50 every single Friday here on the channel. You can do that just by scanning the QR code on your screen right now. Number 2, email marketing for businesses using the API. Bear in mind that all of these businesses that I'm going to be telling you in this video are going to be connected to the specific platforms using OpenAI's API. So when I mentioned YouTube management, it's going to be connected to your YouTube channel via the OpenAI API. So you don't even have to do anything. It's completely automated. These are businesses that I would pay for myself. These things are things that I personally need in my businesses. And I can tell you for sure that a lot of people will need these things. So the first thing that you can do with ChatGPT if you're offering email marketing for businesses is segmenting email lists for clients. And what that means is that ChatGPT will analyze customer data and segment the email list based on a specific criteria, such as purchases or engagement levels. They can personalize emails. ChatGPT will be able to instantly analyze everything that the customer has done with your business. If they purchased in the past, their name, their previous behavior, and other relevant information to raise engagement. ChatGPT is also going to be able to optimize the subject lines for your email. As you saw, it can generate several headlines for you and even A/B test them to see which one is better and use that one. ChatGPT has the ability to also generate entire sales emails, engagement emails, any type of business email that you might be wanting to create. It can analyze performance. ChatGPT can go back on your past email campaigns and analyze what happened in them and make improvements based on that data to improve open rates and conversions. Now, another business that you can start that does not require an AI to do it is a YouTube channel. And if you want my help to build that YouTube channel, go ahead and check out YouTuber Pro, which is the course that I will teach you A to Z, everything that I know and use on my channel here to grow from 0 to 250,000 subscribers in 6 months. Inside that learning program, you're going to learn how to grow your income from 0 to more than 30,000 a month just by using the YouTube channel, and how to generate immense free traffic for any of these businesses that you're planning to start. And you don't even have to listen to me, just listen to people like this. This is a testimonial from one of our students that is 62 years old, and just by buying the course, she was able to grow her channel quickly to 1,000 subscribers and get the 4,000 hours of watch time to be able to monetize her channel. Another one of our students is Enrique. He opened a YouTube channel, and in 2 weeks, he was able to get 1,500 subscribers on his channel and is well on his way to also monetize his channel. So if you want to get my help to do that, go ahead and check the link in the description. YouTuber Pro, one-time payment, lifetime access. Number 3, AI chatbot for dating advice and messaging. Some of the use cases that can be used with ChatGPT to do this is to provide advice and tips in dating. By using ChatGPT, it can understand the other person and generate responses that are relevant to their concerns and specific situations. It can also help people with conversation starters. If you have trouble starting a conversation with your significant other, ChatGPT is going to be able to help you with that also. One of the things that I can see people doing with this is just to connect it to apps like Tinder or other dating apps to be able to have a conversation with the other person for them. It can also offer you match suggestions. Let's say you're in Tinder. ChatGPT can analyze the type of person that you are and the type of person that you're looking for and be able to suggest the best potential match to the user. I've been posting information about AI in my Instagram and in my Twitter account. If you want to go ahead and follow me over there, I post every single day in my Twitter and Instagram account, and here on YouTube I post 3 times a week. Number 4, this is one that I personally would love to see someone someone create, and I might even create it myself. Chatbot to respond to YouTube comments in my speaking style. By using ChatGPT in this manner, I could create an API, connect the chatbot to my YouTube channel, and it will be able to learn the way that I speak, the way that I respond to comments, and be able to respond, give people a relevant comment, a relevant information. It's intelligent enough to understand the concept which I'm talking about in my video and be able to respond to someone's comment just like if it was me, which is so mind-blowing to me. This is something that I would love to have. Obviously, I cannot go through thousands of comments that I get in my YouTube channels every single day, and I would personally pay hundreds or thousands of dollars a month just to have an API like this. And it can even understand what I'm talking about in the video to give people a relevant answer with fact-based responses. Oh my God, ChatGPT, man, where have you been? Number 5, we're going to ChatGPT, use it as a chatbot again. You can connect ChatGPT to your Discord server. If you've been following my channel for a while now, you know that I have a Discord server with 4,500 members. And obviously, I cannot be inside the Discord server every single day, 24 hours a day. And what I would be able to do with ChatGPT is the same thing that I was going to do with my YouTube channel. I could just create an API, connect ChatGPT to my Discord server, and it will be able to respond to people with relevant answers in my personality, in my speaking style, which is just insane. Number 6, SEO agency for blogs, websites, YouTube channels, and so much more. A few ways that you can use ChatGPT to do this is by using it to research keywords and generate optimized content for clients. You can use ChatGPT to analyze your website or your YouTube channel, see your performance, and give you suggestions for improvement based on factual data. For website and blog owners, it can also identify other relevant websites that you can use to create backlinks to your own blog or website. Number 7, AI-generated copy and concierge service for businesses. The concierge service can work with businesses to understand their specific needs and goals, and then it can take that data and create generated SEO persuasive copy that is tailored to those goals. It can also be used to create emails, to create ad copy, to create any type of writing service that you need right now. And if you know anything about business, that you know that businesses need text, they need copy, they need sales messages. Number 8, you can create an AI coding business using GPT-3. And the way you can do this, you can train ChatGPT on a data set of code and programming concepts, and then integrate that via API to any type of software business that need automated code generation. So any business that is a software that needs updating of their code, you can just offer that API and ChatGPT will automatically do that whenever the business needs it. Number 9, AI thumbnail generated service. Just by seeing what AI was able to do with Stable Diffusion and what you can do with other AI softwares out there that can create images, you can just imagine the use cases that people will have to create thumbnail for businesses, YouTube channels, art, cover, banners, ad copy, whatever it is that you need an image for, you can use AI integrated with an API, which is completely free to do this. Before these AI tools came to be, people used to have to hire expensive designers to create specific things to add in specific images like rockets or a phone or some other imaginary concept that you have in your mind you wanted to put on paper. You had to hire someone to draw that, to do a 3D render of it. Now you can basically just give a prompt to the AI, which is completely free, and you can create that, integrate it to other businesses. Let's say I want a video done, and you can create an API that just from my prompt could create my thumbnail based on my audience, based on what my audience wants, based on my past thumbnails, based on my click-through rate from my YouTube channel, to be able to optimize that so I can get more clicks, more people to watch, and create a thumbnail that my audience would like much better just by giving it one command. Maybe, who knows, just by telling it the name of the video. And number 10, I haven't forgotten about the fitness industry. If you're into fitness, you can also use the OpenAI with the API to create fitness workouts, to create meal plans for you, workout plans. It can create them tailored to your preferences. If you're allergic to some type of food, you can just tell it and it will not include that food in your meal plan. Let's say you have a leg injury. ChatGPT, the OpenAI, will be able to know that you have that leg injury, and it will give you specific workout plans that you can use to hit your goals in a specific way that is tailored to you, even with your leg injury. And it can also monitor your progress to be able to update that information as you progress. Number 11, AI-powered customer service for businesses. As you can imagine, from a chatbot, a customer service-based business for you, it can be integrated into a website chat, email responder, and even a phone system. Have you ever called the bank and you spoke to those automated voices that keep telling you, press this for that, press number 1 to hit this, press number 2 to do that? With an API integrated AI like ChatGPT, you could just put it on the phone and it would speak to the person. It would understand what the person needs and be able to tell that person what to do very, very quickly. And number 12, AI generated virtual assistant for businesses. You can use the AI to schedule things for you. If you want to integrate it to your YouTube channel, you could schedule videos, it could do the posting for you, it can do email management, data entry, and so many more tasks. It can book flights for you, it can tell you what's the best destination for you to travel, it can tell you what time something opens, it can be your personal virtual assistant. Now, just by using Siri, just by using Alexa, these past few years, these past few months, you know how useful these things can be. Now imagine if you take something like ChatGPT and you give it voice. Imagine if you take something like ChatGPT and you integrate it into Siri or some other voice assistant like these. Just imagine what it's going to be able to do. You're going to be able to have a full-fledged conversation with it. And remember, all of these things, I'm going to add a specific document guide in the text file below that you can just scan the QR code on your screen right now or go to the link in the description to access. I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how you can start all of these 12 businesses that ChatGPT itself created for me. I asked ChatGPT and it created a step-by-step on how you can take it right now and create these businesses. So if you want to see that, go ahead and check out the document. If you want to get prior access to these money-making methods, go ahead and sign up for my email list or my Discord server, because I always send an email to my email list before I make the video. And if you want to get 12 fractional shares for free from Webull, valued up to $30,600, all you have to do is sign up to their platform and make an initial deposit of $100 for them to validate your account. They're going to give you the shares, and you can always sell all the shares and cash out the money if you wanted to, including your $100. So if you don't want to miss out on free money, go ahead and sign up for Webull right now. Comment best side hustle in the comment section, because that way I know who's watching the video until the end. And if you want to see the video that I made of 8 AI robots that can make you $1,000 every single day, click the video that you're seeing on your screen right now, and I'll see you there. Work hard, play harder.